Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate ko, Beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para mo na another reading, and this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po mga cross-watchers ni Leo at ang ato pong mga bagong viewers. Tingnan natin kung ano yung enerhiya o message na mapipick up natin para sa iyo, Leo. We have the Four of Wands. We have the Nine of Pentacles. The Six of Cups. The Ten of Cups. And the Hangman. Bottom is the Four of Pentacles. Okay, Leo. Alam mo, you don't want to let this go. Binibigyan mo kasi ng value ito itong relationship. Para sa'yo, hindi ito mabilis o madaling mawala o pakakawalan. Kasi nakikita mo itong to be your new love. No? Something na gusto mo talaga. Nakakita ka ng panibagong pag-asa o pag-ibig dito sa person na ito. And with the Six of Swords, kasi nakahanap ka ng katahimikan dito sa person na to. Na you find peace, no? With this person. Yung ba yung you feel so calm, no? Tahimik na tahimik ka pagdating dito sa person na to. Yung pakiwari mo ba, yung pakiramdam mo wala ka talagang ipapangamba sa kanya. You don't have any doubt or any insecurities at all with this person na talagang siya yung parang alam mo ikaw lang yung talagang mahal niya. Yung you feel so secure with this person pagdating sa emotions niya, sa kanyang feelings towards you na wala yung talagang hindi siya titingin kahit kanino. In other words, magiging very faithful siya sa'yo. Ganun yung dating niya. Kaya, no matter what, you're holding tightly to this person or to this relationship. Now, with the Four of Wands, ito kasi talaga yung nakita mo na very stable, no? Very stable siya, yung relationship na to na alam mong meron tong patutunguhan. Alam mo na this person or this relationship, may future talaga ito. O dahil kasi nga, pinag-uusapan na namin o pag-uusapan namin yung aming future together. And of course, yung Four of Wands is the 11-11 card. Kung naniniwala kayo sa Twin Flame, if you have heard about it, this is something to do with that. So kayo yung parang meant to be, no, in this lifetime, na baka ito na yung pagkakataon na you will be in union with each other. And kasi nga naging parang wish mo to, no? And sa ngayon kasi I could see you, Leo, being independent and okay ka lang, no? You're doing fine, you're financially secure, you're happy, you're contented kasi sa'yo na lahat you have everything. And what you wanted is really to find your soulmate. That one person na talagang would say in a way na would complete you, no? Mabuo ka na kasi though alam kong buo ka na kasi as the Nine of Pentacles here, okay ka naman You can do without anybody kasi you're happy on your own. Pero you know that this person, somebody from your past, is the one that you've been waiting for or looking for na dumating sa buhay mo. And pag na-meet mo yun o nangyari yun, you know you'll be totally happy. You know, magiging masayang-masaya ka dito. Kasi siya na yun eh. Kung ba parang somebody you've been worth waiting for a very long time. But sa ngayon, ang nakikita ko is you are on a stalemate, no? Nakahang ka lang. You're not doing anything, no action at all. Or things are not moving. Walang pangyayari. So, tingnan natin kung bakit ganon. What I would clarify is, of course, but andito yung hangman. We have the 10 of Wands, the 3 of Cups, and the Empress. Bottom niya is the 6 of Pentacles. So, bakit nakahang siya? Bakit hindi gumagalaw? Maybe it's something to do with equal give and take. Your person might not be able to fulfill that. Hindi niya mabigay muna yung pagbabalanse na to. And nagiging burden na, no? Yung pagiging walang pagkilos. Yung as if na parang nakakasawa magintay just to be waiting patiently kung anong mangyayari. Because you wanted to celebrate, no? Gusto mo nang maging masaya, gusto mo nang makapag-usap kayo, gusto mo makapag-date kayo, gusto mong makita siya, makaharap siya. Magkaroon na kayo ng reconciliation o magkaroon na kayo ng reunion. That's what you wanted. Hindi yung walang nangyayari. Parang kayo nag-iintayan. And with the Empress, gusto mo na kasing makita tong relationship na to, Leo, to be something that is growing, no? Yung lumago, ma-develop into something more beautiful and, you know, talagang may pagmamahal, that you are abundant in all aspects of life. Yung talagang maramdaman mo yung blessing of having this energy of the Empress. This is an energy coming from a Taurus or Libra. But somehow hindi nga eh. Kasi nga because of the energy of the Hangman. I think that is what is parang nangyayari ngayon. That is the problem. Nothing is happening. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung energy ng person mo, Leo. We have the 4 of Pentacles. Pareho kayo, di ba? Pinakita ko kanina yon. The Knight of Cups. The 4 of Swords. The Star. And the Empress. Oh, pareho kayo. We have the 4 of Cups. You seem to be nagmi-mirror kayo sa isa't isa. So with the 4 of Cups, iniisip ng cross-watcher mo o yung person mo, Leo, na okay ba ako dito sa relationship na to? Why do I keep going back dito sa nakaraan? Why do I keep looking at yung mga past relationships ko? Basta parang as if I could not let go of the past. Hindi ko makalimutan. And wherein dapat nagko-concentrate ako dito sa new love. Dito kay Leo. I should be concentrating myself dito. But somehow, I'm drawn. O parang ibinabalik ako sa nakaraan. Yung mga past relationships ko noon. But you know, both of you, pareho, no? You have the 4 of Pentacles. Ayaw mo, you don't want to let this go. Kasi, alam mo yung value nito itong relationship na to. Kaya, kaya ka nag-offer ng love kay Leo. Kasi naramdaman mo talaga kung sino siya o anong halaga niya sa iyo sa relationship na to. And it made you really, parang you go through on deep thinking, malalim na pag-iisip, na talagang ito, si Leo ang wish fulfillment mo. Siya yung hiniling mo, siya yung minanifest mo from God na ito yung taong ibigay mo sa akin. O i-bless mo ako with this person to be with for the rest of my life. Somebody that would provide me that love and abundance na gusto ko, that I deserve. Kasi both of you have the Empress. Pareho kayo, this is what you wanted. Bakit walang kilos? Ba't walang nangyayari? Okay? So, tingnan natin. Bakit andito yung Four of Pentacles? We have the King of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Hierophant. Bottom niya is the Six of Wands. Gusto mo maging matagumpay dito sa relationship na to, cross-watcher. And you're holding tightly on this kasi mahal mo, no? You really love this person. You love Leo. And you have plans to get married. You plan to be with this person for a very, very long time. Kaya, alam mo yung gusto mong madali. Gusto mong madaliin yung pagsasama o yung nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. Nung na-meet mo siya, talagang alam mo, ito na ito. This is it. This is the person. Leo is for me. Bakit andito yung Four of Swords? We have Temperance. We have the Two of Pentacles. And the Ace of Wands. Bottom is the Page of Pentacles. Now, bakit mo pinag-iisipan to? It's because you made a solid offer, no? May solid offer ka with Leo. Pinaalam mo talaga na itong gusto ko mangyari sa atin dalawa. But you're being asked to really balance yourself, no? Balansin mo mabuti yung sarili mo. Para hindi ka hirap, no? Hindi ka mahirapan dito. Kasi sa ngayon, parang you're juggling two things, no? So that's why you're being asked to balance yourself pagdating sa relationship mo with Leo. Maybe because you are trying to provide yung oras mo o yung pagkakataon na to give equally sa dalawang bagay na that is holding you or parang taking your time pagdating dito sa relationship na to. Kasi the Two of Pentacles could be anything, no? It could be trying to balance yung work mo as against to your what money you have, or it could be yung actual relationship mo with Leo as against your career or your work. Kasi syempre, you wanted to be able to do both, or it could have something to do with Leo as against to your family. It could be anything. Take it as it resonates. And definitely you wanted, yung pagiging passionate with your person. Karoon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa, no? To be able to show Leo how passionate you are pagdating sa kanya. Now, bakit andito yung Empress? We have the Eight of Swords, the Page of Wands and the Two of Wands. Bottom niya is the Knight of Pentacles. So, same, yung parang energy na binibigay dito. Hangman and the Knight of Pentacles. Hangman kasi is basically waiting for things to happen. Knight of Pentacles is talagang slow. Moving slowly. Mabagal yung pagkilos. Maybe because sabi ko nga, it has something to do with because you're trying to juggle two things na parang gusto mong magbigay ng equal time and attention dito sa dalawang bagay na to. Pero, mahirap, di ba? It's not easy. Kaya, anong nangyayari, dahan-dahan ka. No? Dahan-dahan mong ginagawa ito. And, kahit na gustong-gusto mo na pabilisin yung proseso o magkaroon agad ng pagbabago or change, but somehow you don't feel na magagawa mo kasi parang sa ngayon yung isip mo, no, your thoughts are being parang yung mindset mo pagdating dito sa bagay na to naka-close, no, hindi mo makita, you couldn't see it clearly happening. Having that message of passion or showing passion, parang nakikita mo pagdating sa future, no, hindi mo pa makita totally yung binibigay na mensahe o energy nitong Empress pagdating sa relationship nyo. Wherein with Leo, alam niya, no, that there is this love and abundance is a future pagdating sa inyong dalawa. But with you, parang you cannot see that. Yung thoughts mo, yung pag-iisip mo ang nagbablock to have that parang negativity o yung parang kinukontra mo, no? Kinukontra mo yung isipan mo. Do alam mo na talagang possible to na ito na nga, this is my person. Leo is my person. Kasi bakit ka mag-hold tightly, no? Both of you. You don't want to let it go. Kasi alam nyo na importante itong relationship. You can feel it. Pero parang dahil nga siguro because of work, that's why you've been very mabagal or maybe whatever this thing that you're trying to juggle. No? Itong Two of Pentacles na to. Kaya you're asked to temper yourself. Balanse mo yung sarili mo. Kasi yun yung, I think that is the one that is causing the problem. Ano ba tong dalawang bagay na to? Na equally importante sa'yo at kay Leo. We're talking about the future. No? The stars. That's why hindi kayo maka-move forward. No? You need to move forward. You need to know saan ba ito patungo. Para kasing nangyayari nga na Leo is waiting for you, cross-watcher. You cannot make that decision kasi parang hindi mo nakikita na ito yung magiging future nyo. Maybe there's something that had happened between the two of you kung bakit nga ganito yung naging mindset mo, no? Yung thoughts mo, yung isip mo. As if you're looking at the globe, you're looking at your future together. Ano na ba? Magiging maayos ba kaming dalawa? Pero sabi ko nga, and I keep repeating myself, hindi nyo ma-let go tong relationship. Para sa inyo, hindi ko kayang mawala si Leo. And ganun ka din, Leo, sa person mo. Kaya you've been very patient, waiting what is next to come. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung advice. Simple act of kindness. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. Oo naman. Spiritual connection. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. Exactly. Baka ito yung nararamdaman nyo kaya you just couldn't let it go kasi alam mo matindi itong person na to. Practice compassion. See things from a fresh perspective. Okay, so tingnan mo, no? I mean, para sa inyo itong pareho, Leo, and your person. Practice mo yung compassion. So, alam mo yun, pag anihin yung dalawa yung damdamin, intindihin mo rin naman yung nararamdaman ni Leo at Leo, intindihin mo rin yung nararamdaman ng person mo. You know, this connection is more than, kasi alam mo yung may pagka-highly spiritual yung dating, kasi nga you cannot just let it go, you keep holding on tightly. Alam mong malalim itong relationship na to, kaya hindi siya ganong basta-basta, kaya you find this relationship very special, your person to be very special. Kaya, pag-isipan nyo, talk, discuss, give time, para you know exactly kung ano yung hinaharap nyo sa future. Because both of you have the Empress. Both of you will be having this love and abundance sa future. Ma-work out nyo lang ito. You know? Both of you need to believe on that para makita nyo na ito yon. And, you know, be kind. Be kind to one another kasi yun eh. Baka, don't think of anything else. Baka ito si ganito, ganyan na siya, ganyan. No. Kaya nga, it is important that you take time to be with each other, to talk, and see kung ano na, saan na to patungo. Para maliwanag kayo, no? Maliwanag kayo. May direksyon pupuntahan yung relationship. Hindi yung nag-iintay ka at ikaw hindi mo makita kung ano yun. Kung ano yung future. What lies ahead. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito sa iyo, Leo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.